In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make KuCoin dark mode in just 5 minutes. Having a dark mode on your platforms can be not only eye-friendly, but also visually appealing, especially if you frequently trade or analyze data during late hours. So, let me walk you through these simple steps to enable dark mode on KuCoin. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and head to the KuCoin website. If you aren't familiar with KuCoin, it's a popular cryptocurrency exchange platform where you can trade a variety of cryptocurrencies. Once you've landed on the site, the first thing you need to do is locate and click on the Login button, which should be prominently displayed on the interface. If you don't already have an account, you might need to register, but we'll focus on enabling dark mode for existing users today. After clicking Login, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Complete the login process as you normally would by inputting your email and password. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll automatically be redirected back to the KuCoin home interface, making it easy for you to start exploring its features. Now that you're on the home page, look up to the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice your profile icon there. It's usually characterized by either your initials or a generic user silhouette. Click on your profile icon and a drop-down menu will appear, revealing several account settings and preferences. At this stage, you're almost there. Scan through the options in the drop-down menu until you locate the dark mode button. This button might not stand out immediately, so be sure to look carefully. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on it. Almost instantaneously, you should notice the interface change before your eyes. Activating dark mode will replace the usual bright background with a darker hue, which can be significantly easier on the eyes, especially if you're working late or in a low light setting. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully swapped to a darker theme on KuCoin, which can make working on the platform a more comfortable experience. Whether you're staring at graphs for hours or simply navigating through your portfolio, dark mode can help reduce eye strain. I hope you found this guide easy to follow. Thank you for watching, and enjoy trading on KuCoin with your new dark mode setup. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and updates. Until next time, happy trading!